Hello friends, today we are making Schezwan Chutney. It is better than store-bought chutney. This chutney can be stored up to 1.5 months. It's very simple and easy recipe. Also, I'll be sharing 2 secret ingredients which we'll be adding in this chutney. So do watch full video. Let's begin with the recipe. First we take red chilies, dried ones. The first type which I am using is a small red colored chili. It is normal red in color plus small in size and very spicy. The second variety is Kashmiri red chili. This chili is basically used to give color to the chutney. First we remove all the stems from dried chilies. Now to this chilies we add hot boiling water. Let chilies get soaked properly so it turns soft. Cover it with dish and soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. While chilies get soaked, we take processor and chop garlic. Here I am using fresh garlic. Chop it finely, and we need exactly half cup of chopped garlic. Let's measure it now. If it is less than half cup, then you can add few more pods to it to make it half cup precisely. Now let's check the chilies. It's perfectly soaked and soft. Now in the same chopper, we add all the chilies. Drain chilies and add it. Remove all excess water. Some of the seeds will settle down at the bottom. Few seeds are added, which is okay. You don't need to remove all the seeds. Blend it coarse. Not very fine sauce consistency, but like a chutney coarse consistency. Avoid water as much as possible. Our chili paste is ready. Now take a pan and place it on high heat. First we will add half cup of oil. This recipe needs all the ingredients for storage: sugar, salt, oil in proper proportions, so it can be stored for a longer period of time. So do follow all the proportions mentioned in this video for this recipe. To this we add finely chopped garlic, half cup. Then we add our secret ingredients to enhance the taste. First is coriander stems, cilantro stems, finely chopped. Then we add celery, finely chopped. Do not overcook any of the ingredients in oil. Saute less than half a minute to maintain that garlicky flavor. We directly add chili paste now. Mix everything properly. We will add now little water to cook it properly. Also, we will add now ginger paste, 1 teaspoon. You can also use fresh ginger, finely chopped. Then we add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Here I am using both vinegar and lemon. You can alternatively use either of them, or you can use both of them like me. Both of the ingredients will add sour taste. Saute it for 1 minute. Then we add salt. Then we add sugar. All the ingredients we add sugar, salt, oil, or all our natural preservatives which is required to preserve the chutney for the longer period of time. The store bought ones will have a lot of sugar and oil than the one which we are preparing. Now we add soy sauce. Mix it again. Some black pepper. So in this recipe of chutney, I keep adding one of the ingredients at a time and then keep sauteing it. So all the ingredients add flavor and gets properly cooked. Make sure no water is left. Oil starts to separate. And our chutney is ready. The Schezwan chutney looks very red hot in color, but it is not way too spicy. You can have it with samosas or any of the starter bites just like that as a normal chutney. Just like a normal sauce or a ketchup, we have balanced the taste of sugar and spice. So you will definitely love this recipe. Do try this recipe and let me know whether you liked it or not. Thank you.